Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. Whenever you want to create a new website and you want to test a theme or develop a theme in WordPress, the first thing you do is install WordPress locally. Now when you install WordPress for the first time, all you see is one post generated by WordPress called Hello World or something. Now if you want to see how the current theme will look on a real website, you will have to add a lot of new posts because a real website will have hundreds of posts. So now you have to manually go to posts and click on add new and then type the title and the body content and add the featured image and click on publish. And then you have to do this however many posts you want in your WordPress website. So this can take a lot of time and it won't be a productive thing for your web development process. So today I will show you a method of creating a lot of WordPress posts really quick. So let's get started. To begin with, let's create a new local website. So I'm using this tool called Local by Flywheel. So I just click on this Add Local Site button and we'll name our website, continue, and then click on continue again and the username and password, and then click on Add Site. So this is now creating a local WordPress website for us. I have a dedicated video on installing WordPress locally on your system, so you can watch that if you want. I will leave the link in the description below. Our local website has been created. Now let's click on admin and let's log in with the ID and the password that we provided. So this is our dashboard. Now let's click on view site, and this is how our website looks right now, and you can see this post over here called Hello World. And now we don't have any idea of how it will look on a real website because we just have one post. So let me show you how to add a lot of posts in your website. So let's go to our dashboard and we'll click on plugins and then click on add new, and we'll add a plugin called FakerPress. So this is the plugin. Just click on install now and then click on activate. Alright, our plugin has been activated. So let's click on FakerPress. So the first thing you see over here is how to delete all the generated data after you have tested. So just type this phrase over here and then click on delete, and all the generated data from FakerPress will be deleted. So let's go to posts. Now here you can type how many posts should be generated. You can use both these fields if you want to get a random number of posts within a range. So I'll just type 10 and 15. So I'll get any number of posts between 10 to 15. So you can choose different dates in these two fields. So let's click on the first field and we'll choose a different date. So let's choose January 1, 2020, and we'll leave this as it is. And next we have post type, and right now post is selected. Now we can even add pages over here and it will generate data for our pages as well. But I'll just keep it as posts because pages are usually about us, contact us and all, and we don't want them to be generated. And then we have the option of setting a current post or page as a parent for the post types being generated. So if I click over here, we can see our existing posts and pages. So you can select any one of these if you want to set them as parents, but I'll just leave it as blank. And then we have comment status. So we'll just leave it as allow comments. And next you can select authors. So if I click over here, we have admin, and if you have different authors, you can select all of them over here. And then we have different options for the post. So here we can set it to use HTML in our post. Then we can set the content size. So this is how many paragraphs we should have. So we'll have between 5 to 15 paragraphs in our post. And here are all the tags that will be used in our posts. So you can delete any tags that you don't want in your post. And then we have image providers. So these are the two services which you can use in this plugin. So I'll just get rid of placehold.it and I'll just keep lorem pixum, and it will generate random images for our posts. And then here we have taxonomy field rules, and here you can select categories and all those things you have. So you can select each of the categories, and then you can select the rate and the quantity of how many posts should be in that category. So if you have a lot of categories in your website, you can add them over here, and you can even add more categories over here. Alright, then we have the meta field rules, and I'll just leave all of these as it is and click on generate. and this will take some time depending on how many posts you have chosen to add. Alright, all our posts have been generated. Now let's go to our website and refresh our page. And if we scroll down, we can see all these posts over here. We have the title, this meta information, the random date, and we have the featured image and the body text. We also have different HTML elements like unordered list over here, and we have another heading, and then here we have another post, and let's click on one of these posts, and here we can see the post. So that is basically how you generate content for your WordPress website for testing. Let's go to our posts and see all the posts over here. So these are all the posts. Now the last thing I'll show you is how to delete all these posts once you are done with the testing. So let's go to FakerPress, and here it says to erase all data generated, type let it go. So just type let it go and then click on delete. And now it says all data is gone. Let's go to our website and refresh. We can see that the post that we were on is not found. So let's open the main page, and here we can see just one post that we had. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.